What is up, Silingan? Some months ago, Marge closed a sale in Arc Towers, and her client is based in Canada. She is now a Canadian citizen with a family there. But before that, last March, we went to the showroom of Arc Towers to make a video. It was a good video, but I was not able to edit it because of the conditions, and one of that was I didn't have any computer. When I recorded Marge, I used this cam, the G7X, and because it was too windy, I used my phone as a voice recorder, and I was hoping to sync it in post.
Looking forward to give you your dream investment. See you.
But it was too hard when you try to sync a video and audio using the iPhone. This has been my friend, the iPhone. I have two iPhones. These have been my friends when it comes to editing. I use iMovie only. That has been going on since August of last year when I got scammed after buying a defective laptop in Singapore. Another story. Anyway, I went back to Arc Towers. It is located strategically in Bacalso Street, Cebu City. It's very near the Adventist Hospital or the Miller Hospital, the South Bus Terminal, E-Mall. Very strategic location, and Arc Towers has or will build three buildings, and it has a residential, retail, and hotel component. So I went there to check on the construction update. I'm going to talk to you about the model unit of Arc Towers. They have two studios as well as their deliverable. So let's get to the computer. We will first visit the deliverable unit. So if you can see, there is I'm gonna pause it there. There is a kitchen counter with cabinets at the bottom. So this is a regular granite type kitchen counter. And there are cabinets at the top as well. So this is the typical design for the deliverable kitchen cabinets. The floor is porcelain tiles, and it is about 600 by 600 millimeters. The dimensions of the tiles. See? If you can see here, AC not included. The air conditioning unit is not included, but there is a provision for the air conditioning. You can see also this is the window, your window, only one opening to be safe. The ceiling is quite high, about 2.7, and then this part here at the top, the right side, this is where your fixtures go. So your electrical wirings, pipings for fire sprinklers, and for your toilet as well. Okay, so for display purposes only. So remember this design. This is your deliverable. If you can see the flooring, the non-slip tiles, regular painted walls. Okay. And this is the construction update. Work despite the ECQ, the GCQ, MECQ, despite the countless and different community quarantines, work is still ongoing. The door is quite nice also. Very good quality doors. And aside from what you see here, what you do not see are there's also a provision for cable TV, for telephone, and internet. There are ventilation as well for the toilet and the kitchen, so that you will not be suffocated when you try to cook something. So let's go to the dressed up units. This is the regular studio, 22.2 square meters. You can see the big difference between the dressed up and the deliverable. Kitchen countertop, and the cabinets are dressed up, as the term suggests. You can see remember I mentioned that the walling of the deliverable unit? Here, you can see that it is already tiled. Same floor, right? Washing machine here, and an installed cabinet, and the shower setup. There's a glass, and then there's an additional wall. I don't know, maybe this is just for design. So it really matters. The space becomes bigger if you have a professional interior designer do your unit. So when you decide to get a unit in Arc Towers or any studio unit, any condo in Cebu in the Philippines, I suggest you get an interior designer. Next is the deluxe unit, 25 square meters, 25.75. It's quite big. The kitchen counter and kitchen cabinets are very nice. Toilet still the same, still has a space for the washing machine. Same floor. I'm gonna pause it here. Like in the previous unit, the regular studio, they also modified the tiles, the floor tiles, to look like wood. Mirrors also help to feign that your unit is bigger. It helps also. Very nice. Again, air conditioning unit not included. Provision for the air conditioning unit, yes. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that short tour, and I hope you invest in Arc Towers. Very good location, very big space, and very affordable. Also, they have this money back guarantee. So wait, this project is quite unique because ABC Prime developers offer a 1-year money back guarantee in case you do not enjoy living there for 1 year. Nobody else offers this. So if I were you, I'd grab this one, very few units left, and then try it for about a year, and then if you don't like it, you get your money back. How great is that? If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment below if you have any recommendations or harsh comments. Feel free to do it below, and see you in the next video. Bye.